Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, October 11th. Here's the quote of the day. Are the stars too distant? Pick up the pebble that lies at thy feet, and from it learn the all. Margaret Fuller. Okay, I hope you had a good fall break, and now we're back at it. Let's look at the schedule. There's a new assignment, beginning of the 7th week. The familiar essay. Click on this and you go to the links. As you can see, here's the familiar essay assignment sheet and the familiar essay peer review sheets. Go here. So this is familiar essay 1, the world of sport play as a player. Okay, for the familiar essay 1 assignment, examine a specific instance of sport or play and write your essay from a first-person perspective. Explore your behavior as a player of some sport or game. Field hockey, rock climbing, video game, hopscotch, etc. And explore its meaning for you. Okay, so read the rest of the assignment sheet. Let's go back to the schedule. We're starting Van Leeuwen, which is in the best sports essays textbook. So we're discussing Van Leeuwen this week. And next week we'll do Cross. So this is a short week, so you have to get on it. The discussion opens today and it closes by Monday. Here are the view and do's that you have to do. Okay. So let's look at these notes that I have here. First, let's review what it takes to write a good discussion post in a course that concentrates on reading essays from a writer's point of view. What you want to do to discuss the question posed in the discussion and find sections of the essay, quote from the text, that will support your ideas about how the writer is using techniques of creative nonfiction, and then how you can use those same techniques in your own writing. To merely talk in generalities or to just agree with someone is not what we are looking for. Read as a writer and write posts that concentrate on technique. Second, it behooves you to read my discussion posts because they are part of my instruction in the course. You need to look and listen to the daily jings. Also, I've been putting in grades in D2L. You should look at them to see where you are in the course. Third, I value revision above all else in the course. If you write a rough draft and stand pat for your final draft, then you have not done the work of the course. If you don't agree with what I say, you should revise what I say you should revise, or what your peers say. That's okay, but you have to do something. One thing you cannot do is not revise. You have to show that you can revise your draft. That's my first rule and only rule of the course. And one more thing, I am especially interested in how you revise the beginnings of your drafts. That is where the problem is set up, and these familiar essays all have problems that you have to deal with. And that is where you get us into the essay. If you don't try to make the beginning better, then you have failed. And the essays that we are reading should be models for you, but you should not slavishly imitate them, although imitation is always a good place to start. It shows me that you have been reading and thinking about the course materials. Always a good move in the course where you are being graded. So what is due today? View and do 3.1 is due, which is the summary of the assignment sheet. And then we start 3.2, the of Yundu on Van Leeuwen. And you find this in D2L, in content. All right? Okay, thanks. Bye.